Hello guys, today I would like to talk which stocks to buy or to invest right now. So I type in on YouTube and then I will choose a video with the highest numbers of views. In this case it is this video. It has about 350,000 views, which is pretty much.
These days, people are wondering how and when the global economy will recover from its current downturn. While no one
So unless you've been hiding underneath a rock this year, you will know that the stock market has taken down. And no better time as stocks been marked down than the year of 2020, where the prices have been absolutely crazy.
So the first stuff
Now
he suggests is this one, stock Apple. Okay, we'll look at it, how it is performing. So I will look it up on this website. Well, it is in German, but don't worry, I will explain it to you. Come on. Yes, okay, this stock. So now I will look at the figures, the performance. So here you can see, like, after 1 year, there's a 33% of return, which means if you've invested like $1,000 1 year ago, then today it would be like $1,330 worth. So next, what else which other stuff does he suggest? Let's see. The second one is Delta Airlines. Let's look at that. Delta Airlines. No, maybe only Delta. Yes, it is. Okay, let's see what it says. It says you most likely will lose all the time. So if you invested 5 years ago, you would lose like 50%, roughly 50% of your investment. If you've invested it like 3 months ago, so this year, like for example, roughly on January, if you invested in this company like on January 2020, about roughly 3 months ago, you would lose about 60% of your investment. Which means if you invested in $1,000 US, let's do the math. If you invest $1,000 US, you would lose 60% roughly. So in the end, 1,000 minus 600. Oops. Let's get 1,000 minus 600. So in the end, you would have only $400 US. So it's actually not a good investment at all. So I mean, you would literally lose money like pretty much all the time if you invested in this stock, Delta Airlines. Not a good investment recommendation. Not at all. What the heck? Why did he suggest it? But whatever. Next, okay, this is step number 2. Let's see, it's step number 3. Yes, PepsiCo. Okay, okay, let's look that up. So PepsiCo. Okay, let's see what it is doing. Oh well, it's okay. I mean. If you invested in PepsiCo like 1 year ago, you would have a return of 4%, which is, well, more than any other bank if you put in any savings account, because savings accounts nowadays it gives you like 1% or even less, or even negative interest. So yeah, but still, I mean, 4%. I think it's a little bit above the inflation. It depends on where you are, but like here in Germany, it's like 2% inflation. So you still don't make much money with it. Even if you invested half a year ago, you would even lose money. So nah, still not recommendable. Okay, this is in PepsiCo. Yeah, next, what else? What else? This guy is suggesting for Amazon stuff. Okay, let's look it up. Amazon. Let's see how this one is doing.
Now let's continue.
Okay. Well, yeah, you would make money most of the time, except like 1 week ago. But yeah, this one looks pretty decent. So it's a good stock for stock recommendation to buy from this company. So for example, if you invested in Amazon like 1 month ago, so still during this pandemic time, you would make like 25%. So super good, yeah. Even like before. Also, like before all this pandemic thing happened, like half a year ago, if you invested like 1,000 US dollars, you would have a 35% return. Which means if you invested more like, or let's say 10,000 US dollars, 35% return. So half a year ago, yeah, from 10,000 US dollars, you would have now like $13,600. That's good, yeah. So this stuff is making money almost all the time, but with a really good return on investment. Okay, let's see what next. This was a fourth, right? Yeah, fourth. Let's see the last one, last but not least. What else? This guy is suggesting. I mean, this guy's legit. I would say he has like over 100,000 subscribers. So yeah. Let's see what this guy's doing. Come on, where's the next stuff recommendation from him? Yeah, still Amazon. What is this?
And Warren Buffett, he's no dummy when it comes to the way he invests. Hathaway is down very big at the time of making.
Okay, the next one is Berkshire Hathaway Class B. Okay, let's look that one up. Berkshire Hathaway. I guess it's this one. Let's see. Berkshire Hathaway. Yeah. Let's see Berkshire BRKB. Well, it doesn't look like this. Okay, then maybe it was BRKB. Okay, BRKB. I guess, not sure. Whatever. So, I think this about this stuff. I mean, it's still Berkshire Hathaway, so whatever. Actually. Okay, so look at the performance. It barely makes any money. I mean, most of the time you lose money. So yeah, that's actually not a good investment recommendation. So the best investment recommendation or best stocks to buy in this case is what he said: Amazon and Apple. So these two are doing pretty well, and this is what I can confirm from what I see here on all the digits and numbers. They don't die. Yeah. So I found even better. Well, stocks which performs even way better than that, than this one. But yeah, I mean, I cannot give any knowledge for free, right? So this is paid knowledge that you can get, where you can double your amount of investment within 1 year. So not like this, like here you would need like roughly 3 years, yeah, more, roughly 2-3 years to be able to double your money. but I found a stock where I can double money within 1 year, so 100% return on investment. So yeah, it will cost money to get this resource, this content, or this video, however you want me to call it. It's here at $95, which I provide, but yeah. I mean, if you're still happy with investing in stuff like Amazon, which gives like 22% return, then go for it. But alright, I hope you can learn something from it. If not, you can send me a comment or question below if you have any, if you want. And yeah, see you on the next video. I would like to add that 100% return is better than 20% return on investment. So take my paid content because you will make money with it in no time.